Hello and welcome to Hakista TV, and today we will be exploring ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot project by OpenAI that can answer different types of questions. That includes generating sample codes in C Sharp, Python, C++, and even Ducky script. Now let's play around with it. First, I will ask how to calculate a pension in Denmark. And it is a very nice summary of how Danish pension works. And I'm pretty sure I cannot explain it any clearer even if I have been working on it for the past 2 years. Now, let's see if it can generate the coding work that we did in C Sharp for it. Oh, so this one is very simple. Now let's try to generate the answer again. Okay, so it gave a different code using the same explanation, and fortunately for me, my day job is still safe. I was not able to generate the code, but it does give you a rough framework to work with. Now let's try some computer science problem, which is solving the nth Fibonacci. As you can see, it is able to generate the code. Now let's try if it can implement a dynamic programming using the code that it gave. And again, as you can see, it has successfully implemented dynamic programming on the code that it previously gave. Now, because this is a hacking channel, let's try if we can do Ducky script. Now, the basic Ducky script will always be a rickroll, which it got to right. Okay, that's interesting. Now, let's try a Ducky script for opening a notepad and writing on it. Now, let's try some actual hacking, a Ducky script to download and run Mimikatz. And it does give you the correct script using PowerShell. But notice that there are warnings. I remember earlier when I was playing with this that after a certain try, the session stops giving me malicious scripts like this. Okay, so let's try another one. How about retrieving the Wi-Fi password? Which it got correct, of course. Now let's try if it can save it on a file. And yeah, that's good too. Okay, something more dangerous, like opening Chrome and exporting the password from the password manager. Okay, let's see if it can optimize the code. And yeah, it does give you tips to optimize the code and examples too. Now, based on this experiment, we saw that simple stuff in a cut and paste scenario is already good. But in some complex scenario, it still needs some improvement, which will happen over time with enough data training. Now, the key takeaway here is that you are given important parts of the code and useful information that you can use as a baseline of what you are trying to achieve. This technology may be scary or exciting to you. Now, the important thing is you know that it is now here and you can take advantage of it. And if you like this video, be sure to watch my other videos here on Hakista TV. Till next time, my fellow Hakista.